Hey, what's up, guys? It's Steph, man. Back with a quick video. I got this guy right here. This is not the video, though. What I got is my iPhone, man. So iPhone season is here, but I usually only buy a few cases a year. But as you can see, man, this one is getting pretty worn. And then you can see the little outline of the MagSafe. That's pretty cool. They say it builds character, but I got some wear and tear on this one right here. So it's time to change her out, yo. So what I picked up this time, straight from TJ Maxx, presenting the series 20 under 20, right? Or 20 for 20, whatever it is. I always get the name mixed up. It doesn't matter at this point. But it's 20 under 20, 20 for 20. And I picked this up from TJ Maxx, man. So let's see what we pay for it. $8.99. Really good deal. And it says regular 12 bucks. Oh, wow, okay. So we're saving money on the save money. Cool, man. So this is my MVMT. It's magnetic silicone snap-on protective case for the 14 Pro Max, like this guy right here. Now this one is the leather case, so I don't know why I tapped it like that, but this is the leather case. And you know, I'm not really a fan of the silicone cases at all. Let's turn that out. Not really a fan of the silicone cases, but it'll be pretty cool to see, you know, the difference between a silicone case and a leather case. Let's go ahead and switch the cases out. So we got here, this is our old buddy. We're gonna say bye to it. And the reason I picked this one up, not only for the price, but it says compatible with MagSafe. Now I wonder, is this actually compatible, or it'll work just a little bit and I have to put extra tries to it? Because I want to compare this. Just look at this right quick. There's the MagSafe. You just throw that on there. It sticks like so. With this one, same thing. I want to be able to do the same thing I did with these two with this one right here. Let's try it out first. So go ahead and let's open it up. Really nice packaging for $8.99, man. I mean, you can't get any better than this. $8.99, TJ Maxx. So let's go ahead and open it up. Let's see here. Oh, okay. I don't have to rip it in place. Let's open this up. Yeah, man. Let's get it. And there probably was a better way to open this up, but, you know, it doesn't matter. $8.99, you get what you pay for. So let's see what this says right here. Compatible with MagSafe, easy snap-on application, raised lip for front side protection, and precise design allows access to all device features. Okay, so a little bit of wording with it. Let's get straight into it. Oh, wow, okay. I thought it was plastic within here, but I did it this way. So let's just get rid of this. And here's our case right here. So let's go ahead and compare the sizing up to the leather case. You can see that, I mean, these things are bloody perfect, man. I like this silicone feel, but something about that leather, and then the Apple logo right there. Something about that leather just, I mean, it feels premium. But I mean, for $8.99, dude, like, am I really gonna be able to tell that big of a difference? Before I even put the case on, this is the old one with MagSafe. Yeah, that's not going anywhere. Let's try this one. Oh, wow. Okay, I like the click. Oh, wow. This isn't going anywhere. Oh, wait a minute. Oh, I did. Just for a little bit, though. But, I mean, are you really going to be shaking your phone around like that? The Apple case, though, it has like a better hold to it. You can definitely tell the difference between the two. So, I mean, this is still a nice case, though. Yeah, they couldn't afford that much, you know, mag on the safe here, but for $8.99, who bloody cares, man? So let's go ahead and put this on. Man, okay, now we're cooking. So we got our case right here. This feels pretty good, man. Like, yeah, I really like this for $8.99, bro. And then throw on the MagSafe. Yeah, this is really, really nice. Oh, okay, wait a minute. And it did the logo too, so I like that. So let's try that again. Yeah, man, let's get it. Okay. Now I wonder, does it do something different with the Apple one? Let's compare that right quick. Nope, still the same thing. So what's this case worth it, man? $8.99. I mean, you cannot beat this right here with a stick. This is a really good deal for $8.99, bro. Yeah, this is a really good deal. I really like this case. Works with MagSafe, and I mean, yeah, man, let's get it. It's just that simple. I'm gonna do a video about my favorite things, and one of the favorite things that I absolutely love from Apple is the invention of MagSafe. Like, magnets are where it's at when it comes to Apple, and it's cases like these and others that really set the precedent on people who like MagSafe. So this is really cool, man, from our friends over at MVMT. This video isn't sponsored or anything, but $7.99, $8.99. This is well worth it, man. Look at the premiumness on this case, dude. Super premium. I love it. All right, guys. So that was my quick unboxing and review of the MagSafe case by MVMT. And I mean, go pick you up one for $8.99 TJ Maxx and have a good time with it, man. It's MagSafe, it's Steph, it's silicone. Let's get it, man. To the next video. Let's get it.